Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. And for this finger-painted black cat, you'll get 2 colored circles, 2 small sheets of colored construction paper, and cardstock. You'll need scissors, a glue stick, coloring supplies of choice, and black paint. I'm starting off by adding a little bit of my black paint to my cardstock and just smoothing it out with my hands. If you have younger children, I may suggest some mess preparation, but this is a wonderful sensory craft and a fun opportunity to make a little mess. I'm just spreading it out however I please. And as always, please make sure to share your finished crafts with us at Wauconda Area Library on Instagram and Facebook. Once you're happy with your background, we can start on our cat decorations. I'm starting by adding some pupils to my 2 green circles, and then cutting 2 triangles and 2 mitten or circle shapes out from the black construction paper to make the paws and ears, and then also cutting 2 smaller triangles, 2 smaller mitten shapes, and some small circles. A little hack is that you can use a hole punch to make those tiny circles, and then I'm just gluing them all together. And then once our cat is dry, we can glue all of those decorations in place. And here is our finished finger-painted cat. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we will see you next week with a new Take and Make craft. Bye everyone.